Good morning, students. In this section, we will discuss about matched transmission line. Matched transmission line. To evaluate this matched transmission line, simply we have one condition. In case of matched transmission line point of view, the load impedance is equal to characteristic impedance. Whenever the load impedance ZL is equal to characteristic impedance Z0, whenever the value of ZL is equal to Z0, then we can say that it is a matched transmission line. That is the important condition, ZL equal to Z0. Then we know that the input impedance, the expression for input impedance we have already derived in our previous sections. Input impedance Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL cos H gamma L plus Z0 sin H gamma L by Z0 cos H gamma L plus ZL sin H gamma L. It is the expression we have already derived in our previous sections. It is the expression for input impedance. Now I am substituting ZL is equal to Z0 in this. So Z0 is as usual Z0 into, instead of this ZL I am substituting Z0. So Z0 cos H gamma L plus this one I am writing as usual Z0 sin H gamma L by Z0 cos H gamma L plus, here instead of this ZL I am substituting Z0 sin H gamma L. So this one will get cancelled, then equal to Z0, that is Zin equal to Z0. That means in case of matched transmission line, the input impedance is equal to characteristic impedance. In case of matched transmission line, the input impedance is equal to characteristic impedance Z0. Now, in the same way, we will observe the reflection coefficient K and standing wave ratio S for matched transmission line by following the same condition. And here we know that reflection coefficient K is equal to, the general formula is ZL minus Z0 by ZL plus Z0. Here the value of ZL is equal to Z0. Just substitute here ZL is equal to Z0 and ZL is equal to Z0 here. Then K is equal to Z0 minus Z0 by Z0 plus Z0, that is equal to 0. Then in case of matched transmission line, the value of reflection coefficient K is equal to 0. Very important point. Similarly VSWR, voltage standing wave ratio is, we have formula S is equal to 1 plus mod K by 1 minus mod K. Here that equal to 1 plus K. K value is here 0. So substitute this 0 here. 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0. That is equal to 1. So the value of VSWR, voltage standing wave ratio, for matched transmission line is 1. It is one of the important point.